How to recover permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Instagram Help Center and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Click on the very first one, help.instagram.com. Open it. With that, you will be directed to this kind of page. Now at the top right, you will find 3 bars. Click on it. Click on the option of Manage your account. Now click on this option, signing up and getting started. Now scroll down. Over here you'll find this option, was this helpful? Click on no. What went wrong? Click on other. Now over here you have to explain about your issue. You can just explain in the similar way as I have done it. Make sure to enter the email address and username of your Instagram that you want to recover at the end of the description. Once you do that, you can submit it. Now after completion of 24 hours, Instagram support team will get back to you, and with that your account will be recovered. So this way you can easily recover permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.